Okay, everybody, we're back again with part 3 of the paper bag pages, the double paper bag pages. I totally just realized I never told you guys how I bound them. That's probably an important piece that you need to know. So let's just look at that real quick. So when you're making your pages, let me make sure I'm in frame. You made your pages, okay? So these are all stuck together with your little tubes, and you've made your binding using the, you can use your Stack the Deck or Hidden Hinge, whatever you want, doesn't matter, it's all the same. Just you're going to want to measure the height of your bags and make sure that you measure the height, and then do however you want, 3/8 inch gussets, 1/2 inch gussets if you want, 1/4 inch, doesn't matter. It all works the same. But for these bags, this is the important part. And I totally forgot to mention this. Now, I used craft paper on my hinges because I wanted them to match the bags. The reason why I did that is because you really don't have an open bottom on these bags to, you know, put the binding in, like the envelope pages that I made, or anything like that. So with the paper bags, all I did was I glued them to, or not glued them, I put score tape on, and then I just adhered them down like so. And that was it. It's very simple. Now it will show, now I know this isn't adhered down, it will show on the other side. That's why I did the craft. And then it will be covered up with your pattern paper when you go to decorate it, okay? The one thing that you have to remember, though, is if you're going to reverse the pages, let me find this real quick. If you're going to reverse the pages and actually have them backwards, like this, okay? So where you have the pocket on one side and you have, you know, the pocket on the other side, you know, you have a whole page. I kind of didn't, because of this area right here and it being kind of two separate bags, what I did for that was I just went and cut, let me find my scissors, and I measured it better, but you know, you're going to want to eyeball, or I'm eyeballing it now. I liked to adhere it to the other side of the bag, not the flat part of the bag or the bottom of the bag. So then what I did was I just went like that and adhered half of it to one side, half of it to the other side. So that way it kind of still kind of looked like two separate bags. I hope that makes sense. But that's what I did. I suppose you don't have to do it that way. You could probably just do it, you know, on one side or the other. I guess it wouldn't matter. But that's what I did. If you look through the videos and if you can see the pages, that's what I did. So I went ahead and kind of zigzagged it a little bit. So that's how I bound the paper bag pages. I just simply put score tape on the binding edge and stuck it down. So I think I'm done now. That's 3 videos to show you these paper bag pages. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if I really messed up, I'll make a 4th video. Alright, I'm done now. I'm going to go sit and crochet with my doggies and watch a little TV. You guys have a good night. Stay crafty.